Hey y'all. So it's January 2nd, and well, let's say I just got incredibly lucky when it comes to Raven solo pool. My luck is 1%. Holy shit. And I did hit one block, which, cost like 500 bucks. And yeah, I did not expect to get this. I was expecting to get nothing because this is basically gambling because this small little hash rate compared to everyone else is it's basically gambling. Okay, I'm not even gonna explain it. So I started on December 26th. I was testing it here long ago, but yeah, December 26th. So let's just count the days. 26. Where is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so a little over a week, and I already got one block. I kind of wished I mined Raven earlier. Like, god damn, that's amazing. If I get a second block, that would absolutely be insane. Which I really doubt it, but it can happen. I am planning to keep on solo mining until the halving happens, which is in January 11th or 12th. Yeah, one of these days, I think. So yeah, that's insane. So let me copy these numbers. Not numbers, letters. Boom. Control F. Oops. That's not Control F. Shit, which one's F? Yeah, fuck it. ASW. There we go. What the fuck? Okay, I didn't change the actual layout. There we go. So let me paste that. There we go. Look, that's me. 2%. S92. Yeah, T. That's me. 2%. 5,000 Raven. Yeah, I got this at 6:30 in the morning. That's just absolutely insane. So yeah, that just happened. Also, I mean, I know it's already too late for Christmas, but like, if you have a girlfriend and you need to do some research on like some stuff to buy your girlfriend, I recommend Destiny X3. She got a lot of good stuff that you could research. Oh, I like how the actual Destiny game is in here. We're making a Destiny 3 now? Anyway, yeah. She got really good research. I highly recommend.
Hey guys.
I highly recommend this one right here. In fact, I was going to be helpful for the community. I made this comment for y'all for research purposes only. It shows all the her wearing it, showing it off for research. Anyway, that's all I have to say for January 2. And yeah. See y'all another day. Well, ha ha ha, I'm back. I completely lied. I forgot I was going to talk about this. So if we go to what to mine. So I know it said 3070 on the pool, but I'm actually using a 3060 Ti. I haven't changed the name because I'm fucking lazy. It's 3060 Ti, 3080 Ti, and that 570. Wherever. There it is. I don't know why Cortex is off. So yeah, if you go on Ravencoin, $8.25. And let me get the calculator out. If we times that by 8, this is how much I would get mining in a pool with that type of hash rate. Which mine is actually even lower than this hash rate, technically. So yeah. Also, I guess you could say I technically paid off my RX 570 earlier than a month because of this luck. Because let's see, I spent 160 on it, right? Let me take the calculator out. 500 minus 160. So 340. We could take that 340. And this would be for that 3080. Because I already paid off that 3060 Ti long ago. So yeah. And that's actually lower because I've been mining it with other coins like OPTC and stuff like that. So yeah. RI is looking pretty damn good. It's looking better than I calculated long ago. So yeah, that's pretty nice. And oh yeah, I'm gonna have to make a new spreadsheet because it's 2022 now. Hopefully the stock will get better when it comes to GPUs. Alrighty, so it's been a while. It's February 6th. Yeah, it's February 6th. I've been pretty lazy, not gonna lie. So from January 2 to now, nothing much really changed. I did buy a Vega 64, but it wasn't working at all. So sadly, I had to return it back and get my money back, of course, which sucks. It was for $350, which isn't that bad for 50-ish megahash per second, which would have been really nice, but it didn't happen. Alright, so I did update the crypto income sheet a little bit, and this is for 2022. One of the big things I added was on here, I added my total crypto remains from 2021, 2022, and so forth. I doubt I'll be continue using the same exact thing till these future years, but we'll see. It might happen. However, I don't know what I'm gonna do if I want to sell these. I'll honestly figure it out later. Yeah. Oh yeah, I could probably do negatives in here, and yeah, it'll probably work out well. And then here, my crypto income, I got 0.1 F, I got 5,415 Raven in January. I need to, let's see, I started mining XMR from, what do you call it? Oh, I guess I did do something in January. What do you call it? I don't even remember. There's this XMR pool where it basically like profit switch automatically, so it mines the most profitable coin at the time and then exchanges it for XMR, and that pool is called Monroe Ocean. Oh yeah, so I've been having that and it's just been sitting in my wallet, so I'm gonna add all that stuff in, be right back. Alright, I'm back and I just updated everything. I did forget to mention that on my 570, since Raven was gone, I decided to just mine a little bit of Ergo, and I got 3 throughout January just on that 570 by itself, which that's like $9. Cool. So that's nice. In fact, I think I need to copy this number and put that in my crypto remains for Ergo. Yeah, I forgot to do that, so let me do that real quick. There we go. Perfect. And yeah. So on January, what I'm hodling is only Ergo. Oh, and XMR. In-hand income, my F mining and Raven coin mining. That's what that is. So yeah, stonks. 844 in January. That's actually pretty damn good. Nice. So this shows like 2021. I think I already explained this, but it shows 2021, all that, then 2022, and this is XMR. Let me type that. And this will show all the cryptos and like the crypto hodl like in total with all the other years together. And yeah. So if let's say I want to sell all my how would this work? Crypto sold 5,500. Crypto remains 0, and my Raven just there says 590, which makes that 590. I'm gonna need to fix this. I don't know what I want to do with this yet, because this isn't true anymore. I don't know what I would do. I think I'll just have to manually just change it myself, I guess. Okay. That's kind of hard to think about. See, I could automatically put these in, but yeah, this would be 0 now since I sold it all. OpenSea, Raven, RTM, Ergo, UPX. Wrong arrow. Yeah, those are all right. And I think I'm actually missing something. Yeah, I need to do my staking rewards right here. So let me go do that real quick. Alright, now I finally finished. Let me copy that real quick. Need to put that in one more spot here. This is just from staking by itself. I haven't been mining Raptorium at all. At January, I think. Yeah, that sounds right. So yeah, 2,000 Raptorium, which is 32 bucks. That's pretty good for just staking. Yeah. And that even increases my profits even more. So pog. So yeah, there isn't really much to show. 877 bucks. That was on January. So yeah. Oh, this is kind of inaccurate because it's February 6th. Well, it'll be fine. Well, please like and subscribe. I know nothing much really happened this month, but oh well.